Do you want to learn how much money do the make money online YouTubers make? It's kind of interesting because they are make money online YouTubers, which means they're teaching you how to make money online. Wouldn't it be cool if you learn how much money do they earn on YouTube? Well, in this video you'll find out. If you watch this video all the way until the end, you see the calculations, the RPM they should be getting, some stats and tricks if you want to grow a similar channel. In this video we'll be talking about Big Mark and specifically how much money does Big Mark make on YouTube. And Big Mark is a YouTuber that's consistently hitting over 500,000 views per week, especially when he was more active on YouTube. So you can probably guess from by now he's making a lot of money. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online, and me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos a day. That's 90 videos a month. And the reason we want to do that is we want to take over the make money online niche. So make sure you vote for, subscribe for us and like this video if you really want to help us out. Also, there's a riddle in the first comment. Try to guess it. I'll shout you out if you do. And also comment your Instagram username, YouTube account, TikTok account. I'll just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, how much money is Big Mark making? The big question, the question about the big marks, the big channel. Well, in the last 30 days, he only gained 10k subs only because he's at 875,000 subscribers. That's like a 1.2% increase in the last month. He gained 500,000 subscribers without even pretty much uploading. He just uploaded
Big Mark here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
Sorry, oh, that's a lot of words per second. Six videos, right? That's not a lot for make money online niche, but overall he has 500 videos. If you go on his Social Blade stats, they are estimating, and I don't think that's true, he's making 2.3k a month. And I'll tell you how they get this number, and I'll tell you why it's not correct in my opinion. So $2,300 on the high end is what they're estimating, divided by 569, right, thousand. So we get an RPM of $4, which means Social Blade actually thinks Big Mark is making $4 per 1,000 views, or his RPM is $4. I don't think that's true. My channel, I'm getting over $4 on my make money online videos. Check this out, $9 in a day, 90 bucks profit. So $4 is very low. I don't think he's making $4. I think he's making a lot more because I'm getting over $9 on my make money online videos, and they're shorter than 8 minutes. They're like 2-3 minutes long. Most of his videos, except for this one and this one, he's getting over 8 minutes worth of footage, which means he has more mid-roll ads, more money per 1,000 views. So if we get a very conservative amount of, like, let's say $11, right? 11, because I'm getting 9, like easily 11, because he has multiple ads. It might be double than that, but let's just say 11. Right now, while he's not uploading, right, he was making a lot more here when he was hitting 500k views per week. That's like 2 million views per month. 2 million views, that's 22 grand and then $11 RPM. But currently at 569, we just gotta multiply 11 by 569, and he should be making over 6 grand right now. And that's without his affiliate offers, without his products, stuff like that. By the way, I love this thumbnail. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. This is no financial and medical advice. This is just for entertainment purposes only. This is for fun. I might be wrong, I might be way off. It's just what I think, right? My opinion. So make sure you give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and also we shouldn't say goodbye because there's more videos you can watch just like this one. For example, click on this video. See you next one. Bye.